Hi everyone, I'm Cody W3AMG with Bridgecom Systems, and today we've got our radio programmed, and now it's time to try it out on the Parrot. Now at this point, we should be able to talk to the SkyBridge, and we'll go over a little bit about talking on one of these DMR networks, in this case Brandmeister. There we go, so we're on the SkyBridge zone. We can see we can switch our channels up here. Now the first channel you're going to see is the Parrot. Now what the Parrot does is pretty self-explanatory. It actually, you talk to it and it will talk back to you. So if you're just getting into it, this is a great way to test it. For the most part it's private, so people, you can get used to it. You can talk to your radio, make sure everything's working well, see if everything sounds good before you actually go out and talk to someone. So let's try it real quick. We've got our radio here. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is W3AMG trying out the Parrot.
Testing 1, 2, 3. This is W3AMG trying out the Parrot.
Awesome. How cool is that? So it totally works. Everything's working great. We can see on here the last caller is the Parrot, so we can see who's talking to us, which in this case was the Parrot, and it worked great. So now let's say I've talked to a talk group like the Parrot, for example, or maybe I was on the Missouri talk group and I want to disconnect from that talk group, right? So what we're going to do, looks like someone else is on there. What we're going to do is go over here to the talk group disconnect. Should be able to find it here. Yep, Sky TG disk. So this talk group here is a disconnect. Now if you're programming this yourself, that is going to be talk group 4000. What that will do is actually disconnect you from your current talk group and allow you to talk to another one. So I know a lot of people ask, hey, I'm talking on one talk group, but now I can't talk on another one, right? So what the disconnect will do, it will actually disconnect you from that and allow you to talk on another talk group. So we'll try it here real quick. When it works, it will give you a message that says not linked, and you'll know it's successful. Now, if you're on a really busy talk group, sometimes it's difficult to actually key this up because your radio is talking simplex to the hotspot. So if your radio is hearing something, it's not going to be able to transmit to the hotspot. So you have to wait until there's an open period with no conversation to actually key this up. So we're just going to key it up here.
Not linked.
Perfect, just like that. You heard it, not linked, and that means we're now disconnected. So this is a lot of people forget about this and they get frustrated. Remember to disconnect from your talk group before talking on the next one. Thank you all very much for watching. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell next to it to make sure you don't miss out on any more great content. That's all I have for you today. I'm Cody W3AMG 73.